right, so this recording is meant to accompany the materials that I sent to you in the email. And look, I wanted to supplement it just to make sure that you were not going to have any misunderstandings, and also to give you a little bit more than just the straightforward email. So hopefully you'll get some clarity with this. Look, the assignment is, all I'm doing is giving you some basic instructions for the assignment. This is due by the beginning of next class, and it's broken down into two parts. So for next class, part one is actually a reading assignment. It's an excerpt from a Nolo Press book that we actually have at our library, Patent Law for Beginners. It's chapter 1, and it is a good basic explanation of intellectual property, the protections for it. And again, this is just chapter 1. It's going to cover, the basics of copyright and trademark, patents, trade secrets, all at a basic level. And part 2 is going to be the writing assignment to accompany that reading, and you're going to be turning that in at the beginning of the class on Tuesday. And it follows the reading materials, and it's pretty straightforward. Well, again, due at the beginning of class. Look, again, there are 5 areas that these materials are going to cover. There are 5 basic protections. This should look familiar from class the other day. Copyright, trademark law, which is dealing with branding and identity, trade secrets, patents, and there's 3 different types of patents, and then unfair competition. The reading materials will be covering this and hopefully give you a decent background, so that we can cover the materials picking up in class. Alright, so again, materials are due in class. Part 2 is what you're going to be turning in. That's due at the beginning of class. Also, don't forget that there's a quiz that you guys are taking on contracts right now, and that is also due at the beginning of class. Alright, if you have any questions, you can send me an email. I'll be checking over the weekend. And again, it should be pretty straightforward. That's it. I'll see you on Tuesday.